This year, very stupid people from Nigeria police. Video me, nothing if you do me. Yeah. Go government, go call anybody. Thief, that thief. Nigeria police is a thief. It's a thief. They threaten me for gun. You want to shoot me? You want to shoot me, officer? Yeah. You want to shoot me? Can I go say you want to shoot me? Je sais, officer.
When they do full rapping, research. When I say just I go post this thing.
On post online for life. Got the police. I don't get work. People motor. Whenever buy motor, what's like they call check motor. You see, yeah, check her. We see for here. Maurice is. I see Maurice there with me. They session now. Session not see anything now. Session I'm open up for him.
Small, not break.
No, break out officer.
Check out here.
That's going motor. Yeah. See there. They got shot, they got search person motor. They got search person motor for here. I think that is there. They search my motor, they got search my motor, they say drug, this and that. That's still drug on the motor. That's still drug on the motor. That's still go for person and because they got step away.
Get close to me.
I don't like get close to me.
They search. Now put something for inside. When I put something for inside,
there's my motor something.
If I break, I'll go for some. No problem. Master the before the motor.
Just search for me.
Nigeria,